What's going on, guys? It is already 7:16 a.m. and right now we are looking on Link BTC. So we're just done trading Forex and our position are all set. There's nothing to do with it since the market is already closed. So we are now trading cryptocurrency and we'll see what's going to happen next.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, now there goes a sight from my soul.
This candlestick break at this point, and that is the time that we're going to enter. Still have 41 minutes and a couple of seconds before this candle to close. So yeah.
Okay guys, as you can see, it's already 8:20 a.m. and we are now looking on our time frame. So what we want to do here is we are waiting for the price to close above this area. So even though the candle, we are already on this candlestick, if we're going to look on higher time frame, yes indeed, this is already a breakout. Now what another important step is that the timing on how we're going to enter this price action, because in trading what more important is timing, and never huddle. Time and money value is very important. So we are currently waiting, so we still have 38 minutes before this price to close, because we want to confirm that price is already breaking out on this area. We are going to execute it, and we have a 0.4 estimated to 0.5 BTC to enter this trade, and that is a small percentage of our portfolio. We won't be bothered if we're going to have a loss. Will be okay, because we are thinking in terms of risk management. Okay, so before we enter on this trade, so while waiting for this trade, let's have a quick analysis on where we're going to trade this coin. So as you can see, let's start with top bottom analysis. So as you can see, on area we have a huge momentum of buyers, and it did create a huge technical bounce. So this was December 2017. So that was a BTC bull market. And then if we're going to measure this price action, it did it created a rally around like 766%. No wonder a lot of people got rich this moment. So and it did a bear market on this time. So as you can see that we have a huge momentum here, and now we have also a downward momentum here. So if we're going to take notice, the slope of the momentum here is very steep as versus in this kind of momentum. You can see the momentum of the price action starting to fade away. If I'm going to put a line here, you will notice that the angle of the momentum is starting to fade away. So that is possibly the reason this coin started its breakout. Okay, so you can also see that it created its breakout here. Okay, it did create an uptrend. If we're going to extend our line here, we can see that this resistance became support. Okay, now let me discuss first before we move on. Why is it important? This basic support and resistance. This resistance here became a new support. Now, once that broken, there's a huge tendency that if it's respected, the price action will continue to rally. Hindsight, we can see that it did rally And aside from that, we can also see that there are supporting volume. That's why it pushes this price higher. If this resistance is thick enough and the buyers thinks that okay, we have a thick resistance here, now let's push the price higher. And if the general opinion in this market is that they want to push this price higher, what they're going to do is they're going to break that resistance. Once they broke that resistance, definitely the psychology of the human being and in the market, people will always looking to buy lower. Once there are people who are looking to buy on a lower price, they will become the support. Principle here is that the people here already changed their opinion. Okay, this price is going up now. I want to buy again. I don't want to sell anymore. I want to buy again. So that is probably one of the reasons this price action push the price higher. Now let me share you my pencil and paper analogy. The pencil serves as the price action and paper serves as resistance, and those resistance level, there are the sellers. So if this pencil strikes through and those resistance level is too thin enough to hold that price action, definitely the pencil will break through. Let me show you that price will always retrace. So once the pencil retrace on that paper and that paper became the support or the buyers starts to pile up, the price can't break through that support. So the tendency is that instead of breaking through that support, what will happen is it will deflect the pencil and it will push the pencil on the opposite direction. So that is my analogy with support and resistance. Okay, let's start to buy and let's execute that using market execution. If you are used to trade in stock market, cryptocurrency is a different kind of animal. You have to understand cryptocurrency is 24/7. So that is why right now I'm wearing shades. I haven't slept yet. Earlier I've traded Forex. So what we're going to do next is, of course, we are going to put it on our journal. As a habit, we should put everything what we did because as a trader, it's very essential and that is a part of our discipline. If you're going to ask me why I'm wearing shades, don't bother. There's a huge eye bag. It's called investment.